Hello and welcome to Casually Clara. Today we are making leaf lard. You need this ingredient to achieve a flaky pie crust. The store-bought lard is hydrogenated, bleached, emulsified, and we don't want fake. Instead, I'm going to show you how to easily render traditional leaf lard at home, low and slow, without any worry about scorching. Let's get started. The setup is as easy as it looks. It is an oversized pot with a vegetable steamer inside, and that steamer has legs, which is going to be important, but for now, let's focus on this pork fat, or more specifically, pork leaf fat, which is the best for pies because of its neutral flavor. Luckily, you can buy this at a butcher for about a couple dollars a pound, and I'm going to work with about a pound and a half of this, and I'm going to cube it because that's the easiest for me. You can grind it for even more rendering of the fat. And now it is just low and slow in an oven at 220 degrees for about 4 to 6 hours. And you're going to be left with an incredible oil that you might find hard to believe is going to solidify into a pure white lard, but pour that into a container, and it's not even that hot because it's only been at 220 degrees. I'm going to place on a lid, and voila, incredible pork fat. This is a lard that you can use for your pies, for your potatoes. It is so good, and I can't believe how easy it is to make. This pie crust was delicious. I really hope you give this incredibly simple recipe a try, and stay tuned for part 2 where we will make that incredibly flaky pie crust. Until next time, remember to subscribe, and thank you for stopping by.